Are you looking to invest in a propagator this year, but not sure which option is best? Whether you are a beginner, regular, or serious gardener, we have the propagator to meet your needs. You will mainly need to consider whether you are growing from seeds or cuttings, and how much space you will need for them to grow. Propagating plants from seed and cuttings is one of our favourite gardening tasks. If you are new to gardening and looking to give propagating a go for the first time, the Unipod propagator is an extremely easy way to get your seeds off to a head start by trapping warm air, preventing drafts, and creating the humid atmosphere needed for seed germination. With unheated and heated options to choose from, this propagator is our best value propagator, starting at just £22. If wanting to experiment with growing from cuttings, the Hydropod cuttings propagator makes it quick and easy to restock your garden from cuttings, as it retains perfect moisture levels and prevents root rot. Simply take a cutting, pop it in the Hydropod, fill with water and wait. It's a bit of magic. With multiple size and light options to choose from, our Hydropods start at £60. If you are a bit more serious and have prior experience of propagating from seed, our Geopod heated propagator is a great option. This award-winning propagator delivers precision temperature control, even heat distribution, humidity control with vented lids, plenty of growing space, and integrated grow lights. With two light options to choose from between 37 watts and 100 watts, this propagator is ideal to step your propagation up to the next level. The Geopod with lights starts at £150. And finally, for the advanced gardener, there is no other propagator to look for on the market other than the multi-award-winning, best-selling Vitapod heated propagator. The Vitapod is the Rolls-Royce of propagators, as it transforms into a mini greenhouse thanks to its ability to add multiple layers, allowing you to grow as tall as your space allows. With optional lights, you can grow through the colder and darker months with ease. The Vitapod comes with a thermostat that can be set to any 1 degree C between 5 degrees C and 30 degrees C to meet the exact needs of your plants. No other heated propagator gives such range and precision. The Vitapod comes in a range of different sizes, heights and wattages, starting at £155. If you would like more information on propagation or simply have a question you would love answering, our gardening angels can help. Just leave a comment below. Start your propagation journey today. Visit greenhousesensation.co.uk.